Do you want to hide the following list on TikTok? You can private following on TikTok with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide your following list on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. Now, you are on your TikTok profile page. Tap on the three horizontal lines menu at the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings screen, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Under the Privacy settings, scroll down to the Interactions section. Now, look for the following list option and tap on it. A pop-up appears with two options, Everyone and Only You. To hide your following list, tap on Only You. Now, your following list will be hidden from other users. Only you will be able to see who you're following.